In the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, there is a concise definition of Yogasana, Sthiram Sukham Asanam, meaning that position which is comfortable and steady. In this context, asana are practiced to develop the ability to sit comfortably in one position for an extended period of time, an ability necessary for meditation. Prior to everything, asana is spoken of as the first part of Hatha Yoga. Having done asana, one attains steadiness of body and mind, freedom from disease, and lightness of the limbs. Ardha Ustrasana or half camel pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Move the knees apart and the ankle to the sides of the buttocks. Stand up on the knees with the arm at the sides. Keep the feet flat behind the body. Stretch the arms sideways and raise them to the shoulder level. Twist to the right and reach back with right hand and hold the left heel or ankle. Simultaneously stretch the left arm in front of the head so that the hand is at eyebrow level. The head should be slightly back with the eye gazing at the raised hand. Push the hip forward in final position and keep the thighs vertical. Hold this position while comfortable, retaining the gaze on the left hand. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Inhale while stretching the arms sideways. Exhale while twisting to the side. Ustrasana or camel pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Stand on the knees with the arms at the sides. The knees and feet should be together but may be separated if this is more comfortable. Lean backwards, slowly reaching to the right heel with the right hand and then the left heel with the left hand. Do not strain. Push the hips forward, keeping the thighs vertical, and bend the head and spine backward as far as comfortable. Relax the whole body, especially the back muscles, into the stretch. The weight of the body should be evenly supported by the legs and arms. The arms should anchor the shoulder to maintain the arc of the back. Remain in the final position for as long as is comfortable. Return to the starting position by slowly raising the hand from the heels one at a time. Practice up to 3 times as a dynamic asana. Benefit: this asana is beneficial for the digestive and reproductive system. It stretches the stomach and intestines, alleviating constipation. This backward bending loosens up the spinal nerves and relieving backache, rounded back and drooping shoulder. The posture is improved. The front of the neck is fully stretched, toning the organs in this region and regulating the thyroid gland. It is helpful for the people suffering from asthma.